Thank you for having me today. I'm happy to be here and share my story. I'm 66 years old. I survived a heart attack in February of 2023 with mild symptoms. A little bit of tension or slight chest pain and nausea. I was in a mall shopping with my friend when I got some symptoms of the chest pain and feeling nauseous. It didn't feel like a heart attack to me, as I was doing all the right things to take care of my health. But I was rushed to the hospital where I learned my coronary arteries were severely blocked, and I was shocked. 2 stents later, my cardiologist said my heart attack was due to genetics. I consulted with 2 cardiologists in Ohio, including the world's #1 hospital for heart in Cleveland, who wanted me to take statins to reduce my cholesterol. I did not take a statin because of the side effects and told them that I wanted to reduce my cholesterol naturally. In June of 2023, God sent me an angel, Dr. Prateecha Gandhi, a world-renowned preventative cardiologist. I was determined to reduce my cholesterol naturally and get to the root of my health issues. Dr. Gandhi assured me that her guidance would be rooted in science, addressing not just my body, but also my mind and soul. Through her Healthy Heart program, I reduced my cholesterol and inflammation naturally with herbs and specific glutathione. My inflammation levels dropped thanks to a whole food plant-based diet, gut microbiome testing, and advanced cardiac blood work, which, by the way, was not told to me by my standard care cardiologist. I even have an app that guides me on foods to avoid and my personalized superfoods for a healthy gut. Dr. Gandhi also arranged 12 sessions of deep breathing and meditation with Shiv of India, which had a profound impact on my heart health. Today, I feel incredible, exercising 3 times a week, walking 10,000 steps daily, and practicing breath work twice a week. In March of 24, my cardiologist in Cleveland was amazed by the best carotid sonogram results I've had in 14 years. Less plaque, improved circulation in my carotid artery. After a stroke in 2010, this was life-changing. My doctor even said, I won't even need the yearly carotid sonogram next year. I recently started ECP sessions at Heartstrong Wellness with Dr. Gandhi. This natural heart bypass has 144 health benefits, increasing circulation to my heart, brain, and organs, while creating new collateral arteries. Since starting the ECP, my blood pressure has lowered naturally. My energy has improved, and I've experienced a profound sense of calm. I believe this therapy enhances blood flow to the brain because I often enter deep relaxation and even have spiritual experiences during the sessions. I feel great after working with Dr. Gandhi and her Healthy Heart program at Heartstrong Wellness. I want to educate and empower people about how to take control of their health and prevent heart disease. I am so blessed to have Dr. Gandhi. I came all the way from Ohio to work with her, and all of you are so fortunate to have her right here in Encinitas, California. God bless everyone.